how do I properly run Amazon PPC campaigns for my products when my product has multiple variations? If we have no data on which variation it's going to work. Give you an example, let's say that you have 5 color variations, you have no clue which one is going to work. Probably the black and white ones usually are the ones that are winning over, but you still don't have data. So you want to gather data. What you would be doing, you would add all the 5 color variations within the one campaign, and then we would generate data. And based on that data that has been generated, usually it's a clear sign which one is preferred. Now this is going to be helpful for you. What I'm saying is if for each colors you have exactly the same ratings and exactly the same pricing. If you are selling one item cheaper than the other ones, you're going to muddy the waters and muddy the data. So when you're going to apply this strategy, I would highly advise you to have all the variations within one campaign and then have them as close as possible when it comes down to pricing, or even the same price and ratings and so on, because then you're going to gather actually good data. Once that you got their data on, let's say for 7 days, you ran the campaigns, you already have data on them, you have now meaningful data on which variation works best, you would create a separate campaign for that specific product.